Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F05 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Settings and it Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our smart password which our device remember. We can click there. Now we must enter our look screen to connect that, and there we can copy our username, copy our passwords using first icon, but I don't have there because it's WhatsApp only, and there we have number, or we have eyes icon on our passwords. When you tap on it, we can see our password. You can also edit it by tap on edit and write something new in username and password, but remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.